We begin tonight in Evansville, where Elizabeth Fox-Doerr is found guilty in the murder of her husband, firefighter Robert Doerr. Thank you for joining us. I'm Shelley Kirk.
I'm Brandon Bartlett. The Evansville firefighter was murdered in 2019, and tonight, 5 years after his murder, the family says justice has finally been served. Eyewitness News' Hannah Hurley is here with more on the emotional response to the verdict. Hannah?
That's right. The courtroom was tense in the moments leading up to the verdict reading, and after more than 4 hours, the jury reached a decision.
Utter silence fills the courtroom as the verdict is read.
We, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
Tears and heartfelt embraces followed.
Dad can sleep. Dad can sleep now.
The prosecution is proud of their case and relieved at the outcome.
Evansville Police Department really left no stone unturned, as well as the Vanderburgh County High-Tech Crimes Unit. We're glad all that evidence was before the jury. A lot of effort was put into this case by a lot of people. We're just happy to get justice for Robbie Doerr. We're hoping that, this brings some closure to his family.
Defense attorney Mark Phillips says after the verdict was read, he reminded Fox-Doerr that this isn't over.
Now we're faced with the prospect of another uphill battle where we're going to request the court after sentencing appoint us to handle the appeal and address what we think are very serious issues as a part of this record.
Fox-Doerr's son says the experience has bonded him with the Doerr family more than they could have imagined.
Family comes together when you need them. Finally, justice has been served. Dad can finally rest. I'm sorry, but he can finally sleep and finally be put to rest. And the people that are finally being held accountable for what they've done.
We watched as Fox-Doerr was escorted out of the court's building in her jumpsuit as she will be held in the Vanderburgh County Jail. Her sentencing date is June 17th at 1:30. Back to you.